Yes, hello, welcome to Sikafie, and this is Sojaman. Yes, today is Saturday and we are on national. So let's go through what we have for our national. Let me take you through. Yes, this is a transfer from Golden Souvenir to national. Transfer from Golden Souvenir to national. So let's see. This is Golden Souvenir year 2012. Year 2012 at event number 1069. It drop you 14 here, following down drop you 29, 45, 41. So 14 following week 29 at first box to play with 45, 41. Yes, so following down today we are on this event. Yes, so on this event you'll be going for 42. We'll be going for this 42, but we are paying the event first. Yes, we are paying the event first. Yes, and we'll be picking some figures out of this event, which is 42, 14. So you see that this 14, that 10 to 41, a jump back or a turn back to 14. So you'll be picking this 42, 14 from the line. 42, 14. 42, 14 from the line. But please pay the event, and I would like us to try this 34, 27 as well, because if you watch here 14 drop here, following it up 41, and following it up you see that 34, 27 upwards there, drop upwards there. Okay, so we'll be trying that one also. So let's check from the current of the setup, current of national, to see how the plan goes. So this is the national. So event number 3196 drop you the 14, following down drop you the 29, first box 41 and 45. Yes, so following down as it was done here, 14 following 29 at first box 45 and 41. So following down you see the 14 jumped as a free ball. Yes, the 14 jumped as a free ball. So we are on this event. Okay, good. Now let's see another setup for national. Another setup, and it's from the same Golden Souvenir again. The same Golden Souvenir, this time around year 2019. And let's watch the setup. Okay, this one, event number 1444. I saw that it drop you single 6 here, following down drop you 29, first box 41, second box and 45, single 6, following down 29, first box 41, second box and 45. Yes, so following down today we are on this event. Yes, and on this event I would like us to go in for the tray under the tray figures, the tray that's under the tray figures, which is double tray 5724, double tray 5724. But please try and pay the event first before you go in for these figures. So if you check from the current, this is how it goes. So event number 3196 drop you the single 6, following 29 first box 45, second box and drop it 45. Yes, so same thing was done here. Yes, so here I said we'll be going for the double tray 57 and 24 as best tray on the event. Yes, but please first pay the event. So we'll be combining these two events together. Yes, as we always do it, we'll be combining these two events together. Yes, so we'll be having our final game as this. Yes, this will be the combination of the two events, and we'll be going for our best 5 out of the 10 numbers. Yes, and our 2 direct. Yes, so that is how it will go. Yes, so best, our 2 events combined, best 5, best 3, and our 2 direct will be going for the 3357. Yes, and we'll be going for 33 as a banker. Yes, and don't forget the the 3427. You'll be trying this 3427 as well. So after you are done staking your game, just try the 2734. Yes, so that's it. And as I always say, if you want to write your game, just type all your list and send me. Type all your list you want to write and send them to this line 0593673300. 0593673300. Yes, this is Sojaman. Yes, this is Sojaman. Yes, so let's win big today. Yes, enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye.